Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Your go-to source for travel hacks and tips. If you're planning a trip with Qatar Airways and need to change the currency settings for your booking, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our travel guides. First things first, open your Qatar Airways application. After that, tap on book. Here you can book three types of tickets, that is return, one way or multi-city. So whichever you want to choose, you can choose it. So let's choose from Doha to Norway. So you can use promo code and you can also choose the departure date as well as the passenger and hit on search flights. Now here you can see all the flights and its rate as well. So to change the rate, you can see it is in Qatar currency. Tap on it. Here you can choose whichever currency you want to choose, and that's all there is to it. Changing the currency of the Qatar Airways is quick and easy, ensuring you have all the information you need in a format that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more awesome travel content.